Hello and welcome. Sorry for the nasal voice today. I am getting over a cold, a chest cold in particular, so I do apologize in advance. Today I will be doing one of my cup layering experiments, but I wanted to show you my layering process. I am using all pastel colors for this cup layering experiment, and I added permanent blue violet for contrast. But I layered this cup on Monday, so this cup will sit for 48 hours. Today I am going to be working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. At the beginning of this video, I showed you my cup layering process that I did on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and I will be pouring that cup today. I am really happy about pouring this cup because I love the Jadeite by Extreme Sheen. That's the color you see there on top. I added it pretty late to the layering process, which I'm not too happy about, but I did layer another cup. So you already know what that means. Stay tuned for another cup layering experiment in the coming days. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting and talk to you again during the wet result. I forgot to mention the permanent blue violet, which is the purple that you see in this cup layering. I added that for a little bit more depth because I know the colors all of the colors that I use are really light. And then by me adding white in between each layer, I needed the purple to sort of break that up a bit. So that is why you see the permanent blue violet. So it's not all pastels, but I only added the permanent blue violet a couple times during my layering process. And I just did that so that I can break up the colors. here it is. So I have to show you this painting from here because when I get a little bit closer, the colors change. And I want to show you the softness of this pastel cup layering that I did. Now this jadeite, this beautiful jadeite that I layered, this was the color that came out on top. And I really would have liked for that color to show up more throughout this painting. But I'm going to try to get a close-up a little bit later on. There are some little lines of the jadeite that you can see throughout the composition, but I added it on the end right here before I was done tilting off just to see if I could keep some of it. But there was already a lot of paint on the canvas. I really did not need that added paint that I layered down first. I'm really thinking I should have just used the jadeite as a flow to help the paint guide along the canvas a little bit better, and it didn't roll over itself as I was stretching it out. But this is perfect. And when I say perfect, this painting is perfect, I mean the composition, the way that the colors flow together, the movement. If you do not want a lot of cells in your painting, I highly recommend doing a cup layering, which means you're going to layer your paints like you normally would, but let them sit for a minimum of 4 hours. Anything longer is just a plus. You'll get better blending, more blending and more details in between all of your colors. But I know a lot of people do not like cells, so I feel like this is a really good way to eliminate a lot of those cells in your painting. So let me know if you try out a cup layering experiment where you layer your cup for an extended amount of time and then pour, and see if that helps out with your cells. I am going to end right here, but I'll get a close-up later on when the color is more true to tone. But thank you for watching.